Hi students, this is Kumar, your maths teacher, grade 7. Today let us learn about the new chapter Simple Equations. Simple Equations. First let us see the definition of constant and variable. The word variable means something that can vary, that is change, and constant means that does not vary. Constant means that does not vary. The value of the variable is not fixed. The value of the variable is not fixed. Variables are denoted usually by letters of the English alphabets such as X, Y, Z, L, M, N, P, A, then etc. So the next one is expressions. The expressions are formed by performing operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables and constants. So the next one is equations. An equation is a condition on a variable such that two expressions in the variable have equal value. Two expressions in the variable have equal value. For an example of equation is 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. 2x minus 3 is equal to 5. The value of the variable for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution or the root of the equation. The value of the variable for which the equation is satisfied is called the solution or root of the equation. An equation remains the same if the left hand side and the right hand side are interchanged. An equation remains the same if the left hand side and the right hand side are interchanged. In case of balanced equation, if we add the same number to the both sides, or subtract the same number from the both sides, or multiplied both sides by the same non-zero number, or divide both sides by the same non-zero number, the balance remains undisturbed. Transposing means moving from one side to the other. When a term is transposed from one side of the equation to the other side, its sign gets changed. When a term is transposed from one side of the equation to the other side, its sign gets changed. Plus to minus, minus to plus, multiply to divide, then divide to multiply. Transposition of a expression can be carried out in the same way as the transposition of a term. Now let us see the few examples. So the first one is write the following statements in the form of equations. So the first one is the sum of 3 times x. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. So the question is form the equation. So here sum means add. So 3 times x. 3 times x means 3 into x. 3 times x is 3 into x. Sum of 3 times x. So sum means add. So sum of 3x and 11. So 3x plus 11. So the equation is 3x plus 11 is 32. So the answer is 3x plus 11 is equal to 32. So the next example is the difference of 5 times x and 11 is 28. The difference means subtract. So the difference of 5 times x. So here 5 times means 5 into x. So 5 times x is 5 into x. So difference means subtract. So difference of 5 times x and 11 is 5x minus 11. So the equation is the difference of 5 times x and 11 is 28. So 5 into x minus 11 is equal to 28. That is the equation. So the next example is 1/4 of a number minus 8 is 18. 1/4 of a number minus 8 is 18. So let the number be x. Let the number be x. 1/4 of a number. 1/4 of x means 1 by 4 into x. So 1/4 of a number minus 8. So 1/4 of a x minus 8 is x by 4 minus 8 is 18. So the equation is x by 4 minus 8 is equal to 18. Next example is convert the following equations in statement form. Convert the following equations in statement form. So the first one is x minus 5 is equal to 9. X minus 5 is equal to 9. So the solution is taking away 5 from x. So here taking away means minus. Taking away 5 from x gives 9. Then subtract 5 from x gives 9. You can write any one. Subtract 5 from x gives 9. So the next example is 2x plus 5 is equal to 15. Here the equation is given. Convert the following equation in statement form. So statement form is the sum. So here plus the sum of 2 times of a number. The sum of 2 times of a number and 5 is 15. So this is statement form. So the next one is p divided by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. P divided by 2 plus 2 is equal to 8. So the solution is 2 added 2 plus 2 added to half of p. 2 added to half of p is 8. So that is answer. So the next one is 3m divided by 5 is equal to 6. 3m by 5 is equal to 6. So the answer is 3/5 of m. 3/5 of m is 3 by 5 into m is 6. Then 3 times m divided by 5 is 6. That is the answer.